In this occasion, we're going to be introducing a concept of a SuperNode. It's a really useful tool when you are trying to simplify or analyze any type of circuit. And it consists that when you have essential nodes, which are these here, remember that essential node is where it's a node where more than three elements meet. The idea of this super node concept is that when you have a voltage source between two essential nodes, you can derive a supernode equation. This voltage source here can be eliminated. And from here, we can start our analysis with our node method. The thing is that we will derive the supernode equation around the node that the supernode. So our supernode equation will be equal to the voltage 2 minus voltage 1 over 5 plus voltage 2 over 50 plus voltage 3 over 100 equals to 4. That will be our first equation. Next, we need to express that equation in terms of just one unknown, and we could do that because we know that the voltage 3.2, which is the voltage 3 minus voltage 2, is equal to 10 times the current that's flowing here. And this is because it's a dependent current dependent voltage source. And we also know that this current is equal to voltage 2 minus voltage 1 over 5 ohms. And something else that we know is that voltage 1, if you notice here, voltage 1, voltage 1, this voltage here, from here to here, is in parallel with this voltage. So voltage 1 is equal to 50. With that, all that known, we can start substituting in this equation, and we have that voltage 2 over 5 minus 50, because we know what's the value of voltage 1 plus voltage 2 over 50 plus voltage 3 that we know that voltage 3 from here voltage 3 equals 10 times this current plus voltage 2. So voltage 3 will be equal 10 times this current plus voltage 2 over 100 ohms equal to 4. Now, voltage 2 is equal to 1 over 5 minus 50 over 5 is 10 plus 1 over 50. Just simplifying. Oh, I'm sorry. One over 50. What we did is you simplify that minus 10 plus 10i over 100. 10i over 100 is 9 now is that 1/10 plus voltage 2 is equal to 4. This can be rewritten again as voltage 2 1 over 5 plus 1 over 50 plus 1 over 100 plus, we're gonna pass this 10 to the other side, summing, and we're gonna substitute this here. Now I'm going a little fast, but this is simple algebra that I know you can handle. 1/10 of voltage 2 minus voltage 1 that we know voltage 1 is 50 over 5 equals 4 plus 10. Now, voltage 2, I'm going to solve this right here in my calculator. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 50 plus 1 over 100 is 23 over 100. Then I have voltage 2 over 5 times 10 is 50 minus 50, and 5 times 10 is 50 equals 14. Now again I have voltage 2 23 over 100 plus 1 over 50 equals 14 plus 1. We have 23 over 10 plus 1 over 50 is 1/4. Go to 15. And we can say that voltage 2 is equal to 15 times 4. That's equal to 60. And there you go. We just finished resolving this. because after you have voltage 2, you can substitute here and get that current, and then voltage 2 and that current too, and you could get this voltage here, and you just finish resolving the circuit.